Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shireen here with another video, and this time around we're going to get into passion twist. So here I already started the first and second row. My client wanted triangle parting, and so when it comes to triangle parting, I'll allow the previous row to guide me, which is what you're going to see in the next clip. The product that I use is Shine Jam to allow my parting to be very clean, which is what you see, that white pasty look. That's the jam. Like so I said before, I allowed the previous row to help guide me with the next row when it comes to triangle parting. Now, I've been doing passion twists on clients and on myself for quite a while now, and I've noticed that there's several different ways to doing the passion twist. And this particular way that I've done on this client, I found it to be way less painful. So what I do is I split the parting into two and then apply the hair extension . And then I rubber band the natural hair into one while allowing the hair extension to hang. And here you see the rubber band. Sorry, I didn't have a tripod at the time, so I had to do clip by clip. All for you guys. And then I grab the hair that is natural from the client, and then I go about twisting, and this is the end result. So because I didn't use a tripod, I wasn't able to show you how I actually twist the passion twist, but basically you want to hold each end and twist in the opposite direction while twisting them both together to have a seamlessly look that just looks effortlessly, you know, juicy and just like what you see in the clip right here. For any more tips and tricks on how to do any type of protective hairstyle, please subscribe to your girl's channel. It's your girl Shireen here signing out. Thank you guys for watching and supporting your girl, and hope to see you in the next one. Peace, love, and hair grease.